Welcome back to another video. Here we see where Dwayne is calling out everyone who has dirt on him to post it on social media. He is tired of the situation that's going on, and he's calling everyone that has dirt on him or supposedly has dirt on him to come on and post them on social media so that he could see them. Just watch the video.
I owe none of you any obligation. None of you. Who feels like I should bow down to you? Never. I've heard some people saying, oh, they're gonna, even if it takes them a month, a week, 2 weeks, whatever the case may be, they're gonna take me down. Lie you I tell. Lie. Lies. I've been nothing but graceful. I wouldn't use graceful, gracious and kind to you people. No word of a lie. I've been nothing but gracious and good to all of you people who continuously tear me down and speak on my character when none of you knows the real me. Again, I'm going to say I was wrong to insert myself into people's battles against other people. And to all of those people who I have inserted myself into their fights, whatever the case may be, I would like to extend my apology to anyone. Listen, anyone I've gone up against for other people who I know full well don't care about me, I want to apologize to you people for inserting myself into battles that had nothing to do with me. Nothing under the face of the sun. Honestly, I have learned. I've learned a lot of things through 2021, coming into 2022. Some people want to behave like I was the only one who was posting negative things about people. They themselves did the same thing too. So what? And I don't understand why